あんなところにアイルーがいるぞ。なんだか可愛い格好のアイルーだな。なんだよアルマ、そんな変な顔して。
別に。昔似たようなことがあってそれを思い出していたんだ。
うわ、アイルーだ。かわいいなお前。アルマもこっちにおいでよ。どうしたのアルマ。もしかしてアイルーが怖いの？
違う。ただ俺はまずい。ここはモンスターの巣だったか。
ママじゃアイルーが危ない。お前の相手は僕だ。食らえ。お前、怪我がなくてよかったな。
なぜ怪我をしてまで守ろうとした？
だってあのままだったらアイルーが危なかったし、気がついたら体が動いてたんだ。
怖くないのか？
モンスターは怖くないよ。
怖くない？
僕たちが巣に入ったからあいつも怒っただけで、モンスターだって理由なく暴れるわけじゃないからさ。ってあれ、そういえば僕一人でモンスターを追い払ったの初めてだ。
レド、お前いつの間に。
ライダーさんのじいちゃんは自分でも気づかないうちに強くなってたんだな。
人間の成長はあっという間だ。さあ、話は終わりだ。先に進もう。
早速行こうぜライダーさん。じゃあなアイルー。
Yeah, that's a ninja cat, isn't it? Or is it just a random cat that's there, dressed up like a girl? Boss fight!
さっきのアイルーじゃないか。どうしたんだよ。
気をつけろ。巣からモンスターが出てくるぞ。
Oh, it is you!
ライダーさん行くぞ。
What I'm gonna do. Oh, there is no way that it's just gonna sit there. I'm gonna charge that to scale so I can kill it whenever. Oh, and oh my goodness. I mean, I have 28, so like I might as well.
鬼切る腕の見せ所だ
No, you didn't need to do that. I should have probably looked before I attacked, but it's fine. Get him! That's actually good damage. He has a breath attack? Oh, right, fire, yeah. Alright. Now I can actually do the test I was wanting. My true wide slash doesn't get a crit. This knocks him down, right? Yeah, it knocks him down. Oh, baby. That is so much better. Look at all that groovy stuff.
やったなライダーさん。お前も危なかったな。それにしても俺のファンになっちゃったんだ。手入れてるのか？ほら特別。へへん。ライダーさんもあるってあれ？ある？ん？
早く報告に戻るぞ
Oh, he's allergic to cats.
おいで。じゃあな、いる。
I see.
おいおい、村で何かあったの？
ゼラード様
モンスターが村の大きな被害はなかったが捜索の人手が足り
迷子の森に入ってしまったんじゃ
子供たちを探せばいい。
Okay, so we have to wander around looking in the tall grass for children. I'm gonna just activate the catavan. Navarro! Yeah, the kids can wait. The big tree. Where am I? No idea. I was here any. Oh my gosh, I have to find them in a. Oh. I was just here. By the pond. Well, that's okay. That's the easiest one because the first one was just misleading. By the tall grass. Do you mean like this tall grass? Like he's crouching in one of these? No, he's sitting beside vines. This is not tall grass. These are vines. Hi.
ほい、これで全員見つけたな、ライダーさん。みんな無事でよかったにゃ。ライダーさん、アルマさん、ありがとにゃ。
ルトゥのものはよく迷子になるからな レドと何度探しに行ったことか。
レドじいちゃんとも迷子を探しに行くなんて、アルマって案外面倒見がいいんだな。
そういえばお父ちゃんから聞いたことがあるにゃ。村に帰れなくなった時、2人が探しに来てくれたって。
おーい、アイルーたち。まったくどこに行っちゃったんだろう。
手間のかかる。モンスターが近くにいる。
There he is. The lad.
青アシラだ。だいぶ興奮しているな。
違う、興奮しているだけじゃないと思う。何をそんなに怒っているんだろう。待って。
子供？
そっか、子供を守ろうとしていたんだね。大丈夫、その子は傷つけないよ。
助かったにゃ。
ん？こら、お前たちどこで何をしていたんだ？
蜂蜜を少しもらおうとしたら、青アシラのママに3日間も追いかけ回されたんだにゃ。
とにかく怪我がなくてよかった。みんなで村に帰ろう。
レド、お前どうやって子供がいることを見抜いた？
モンスターの声を聞いたんだ。
モンスターの声？お前やっぱり変だな。
人間なのにモンスターの声が聞こえるなんて変わったやつだったんだな。ライダーさんのじいちゃんは。
子供とアイルーたちを後ろに。モンスターだ。
Oh, it's a Durambros! I love this guy! Durambros is sick! Oh, I haven't seen this monster since Monster Hunter 3! Oh, man. Okay, he's not attacking me. I wonder if I beat him in a head-to-head, does my poison have a higher chance? I think. Tag, yeah. I just kind of don't want to get hit. Oh, and he's attacking me again. Alright. Well, I may as well try using this, since blunt is apparently the way to go. Since I can't see him using speed anytime soon. Yeah. Okay, that does decent amount of damage. He's definitely doing a area thing. Yeah, I was just kind of aiming for its body because I was like, I don't want to hit it hard, but probably smart to, yeah. Yeah, I'll play optimally, fine. Okay, slashing on the line, I guess. Again.
よくやった。このまま行こう。
That did a lot of damage, but I ran you like a boat. Wait a minute. His tail? How does Sharp not work on a tail? Is it gonna be blunt again? Do I have to hit it with my horn? I'm gonna be kinda mad if I have to hit the tail with my horn. Because it doesn't show me if he hits it and like if it's effective with me. It is hammer, that's so weird. I mean you can break it I guess, but like covering the tail is a sharp weapon. That is weird. Alright, all of the parts are broken on the rim. It's probably gonna die before the next turn comes, but like I might as well prepare. It's not even dead yet. Okay, so it does do more damage to hit it with my bow, and it's not causing as much. Good to know. Oh, and it's dead. Good go.
Konnichiwa.
子供たちが無事でよか伝承の儀を受け村の者の力に
Oh, we have to fight a Dark Kuga.
ゲゲもう次の依頼
無礼な態度が過ぎるぞ。
にゃんだと
I hate that cat so much. Why is he here?
ゼラード様、承知。
ちドーナツたらふく
まったく。
ふんふん
Well, the good news is that since we're fighting Nargacuga, which is most undoubtedly a speed monster, now, with the tons and tons of technical monsters we're getting, Thank you, Navru. Please don't talk again. Now that we have a bunch of technical monsters, and we're actually fighting a speed monster for once, we get to pummel it into the ground. Oh, hi there. Breaking its arms are the best, but I think going for its, like, since we can't hit its arms, go for its tail so it can't shoot stuff at us. Slashing everywhere. Does slashing work on his head at least? Nope. How did... Alan. Oh! Alan, come on, man. See, I was hoping the AI for Kurapeko would actually make it play songs, but it never does, and it's so frustrating, because that's what the monster is supposed to do. It's supposed to be a hunting horn in the form of a monster, and it's just doing nothing. I'm so sad. Alan! Oh my gosh. Heck yeah. Well, I have a feeling he's gonna hit all of us, but I'm going to attack anyways. Oh no, that's even worse. Oh, it's so close. Wait. Oh, it attacks twice. Oh, right. Yeah, monsters get mad and then they... Yeah, okay. Now it's coming back to me. Now I'm remembering the scariness. Yeah, it does do that, doesn't it? Ah! Maybe he only uses technical to be enraged because that's his tail attack. So when he's enraged, using power is better. Okay. Our combined health is not very much, but that is fine. Okay, now that he's not angered anymore, I can use the technical and get our kinship skill up. And then we can do some good damage. Oh, and we get healed. Let's go. Mr. Puck, let's go! Oh, and he's using power. Oh my goodness, Mr. Puck, you're a genius!
ライダーさんも強くなったな。
やはり人間の
だろう？
レドほどの実力。
レドじいちゃんの実力。
ああ、レドの力。
アルマ。
負けたんじゃない。あれくらいで許して。
ふーん。じゃあレドじいちゃんみたいになりたい。
おい、何をか。
審判は任せて。
あ、
なんだお前。
How did How do they not find this suspicious? This is look at this. Okay.
通りすがりのアイルーだにゃ。ありとあれ。おお、いいところにアルマに勝てば。
ライダー同士、これもけ。
いざ尋常。勝負。
Okay. Yeah, I haven't ever delved into PvP in Monster Stories. Okay, so hunters can't fight hunters, but monsters can fight hunters and monsters. Got it. You are using a power attack. I'm using a power attack. No, I'm stupid. Never mind. You're doing the smart thing, Perfecto. I'm just gonna get my gauge up. Perfecto, no. What? Dude, it's the second round. Yeah, because if you give a monster a thing, it can also... Yeah, okay. So, like, it can't choose the actual... Like, it can't choose, like, power or technical or something. It can only choose an ability, which is great, because I know he's going to do a speed. So I just get to do this for free. Ow! I think I want to hit you. Oh, Perfecto, you're so... Oh, you're not the strongest in this game, my man. Okay. Alright, I'll play serious. Come on, Mr. Puck. Why is he... Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I'm losing. He did like half of my health. And I won the clash. How is his... Okay. They definitely buffed them. So it's way harder for me. He was not like this. Oh boy. Wait. Wait! I didn't know that... Okay. I'm kinda mad. Okay, so Rhydon only shows that turn. That's good to know. Wait, this is everyone, doesn't it? Yeah, you and your stupid buff monsters. Get ready to lose. Get ready to lose. Multiplayer battles, yeah. I'll probably try them out in the future, but yeah. I could actually probably play... Okay, well, I'm obviously going to play co-op stuff with Walter in the future, but what if we tag team online and then 2v2 people? That, I mean, if it's a fun thing to do in the game, like, I'd be totally down. I'd have to test. I would have to test. Oh, howdy.
この度はありがとにゃ。
礼などいらん。
でも、
Oh my goodness, I just teleported.
ありがとう。アルマってばそれはよろしくないんじゃないか。
何がだ。
手入れちゃってるのか。俺みたいにグレートなやつはな、感謝される側になった時でも紳士的な対応だな。いてててててて。ってアルマ、お前どうしたんだよ。
別に大したことでは。
大変ですにゃ。すぐに手当てしますね。
近づかないでくれ。
もしかしてだけど、お前アイルアレルギーなんじゃ。
アレルギーってなんだ。ただくしゃみが止まらないだけだ。
Come on, why'd they have to do my man out and dirty like that?
アルマ、意外と可愛いところあるんだな。
おじいさまが呼んでる。おじいさまの家へ向かいましょう。
Like a couple sneezes is fine, but my man sneezed 20 times. Hey! It is an Argazuga. I might go try to find more eggs.